Hi, let's talk today about Web Animation API, PWA and V8. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. Let's take today a short review titled ES6 Default Arguments. Its author, Remy Sharp, documented a few of the ways he used default arguments and how they made all ES5 workarounds. The next one is a brief tutorial called Web Animation API Unleashing the Power of CSS Keyframes in JavaScript. Here you can find explanation about creation, inspection and manipulation by web animations created using CSS. This feature is not fully supported yet by all modern browsers, however, you can try it. Mathias Bynens wrote a short post about Moil importing in JavaScript. His post covers a recap of static modules topic and contains an example of dynamic modules implementation. I'm looking forward to see this feature supported in all major browsers. Money posted an eye-catching presentation, namely a Pinterest progressive web app performance case study. Over 3 months, Pinterest rebuilt their mobile web experience using React, Redux and Webpack. Here you can become familiar with its fascinating results, with the reservation that, citation, "It's important to note that this isn't comparing apples to apples, however. The PWA loads code for new rows on demand, and the cost of additional code is amortized over the lifetime of the application." If you haven't watched the Developer's Diary series yet, you definitely have to try. In the latest episode, Matt Scales is talking about image filters in a progressive web app, including sharpening, contrast and vignettes. Rob Dodson has released another episode of V11 Cast. In this episode, he tells about VoiceOver, the screen reader built into iOS. If you're not perfect in estimation, as I am, you might be interested in this video, Time Estimation Short Cookbook for Developers by Alexandra Sienkiewicz. It contains several tips and tricks for this process. Warning, it's not technical one. If you're interested how V8 works under the hood and makes GS faster, you can find an article, An Introduction to Speculative Optimization in V8 by Benedict Moir, informative. I'm not an expert in assembler, but now I've got a bigger picture in my mind. You can scan his article on Ponyfo. Grid CSS is a brand new feature for layout creation of the year 2017. In this article, he said why CSS Grid is better than Bootstrap for creating layouts. You can find several practical examples how to replace your old Bootstrap snippets with Grid CSS. Just in case you missed that, Sasha Griff posted a look back at the state of the JavaScript in 2017. There, 6 experts made findings of JavaScript in 2017. Tools like Prettier, Jest and Next.js get big shout-outs. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.